Tired of playing Among Us with randoms who can't tell the difference between a vent and a vacuum cleaner? Let's get you gaming with your actual friends. First things first, fire up Among Us. You'll be greeted by this main menu, your gateway to imposter shenanigans. We want to play with friends, so click on the big, bright online button. Now you're on the online screen. Notice the options at the bottom. To play with your friends, you'll either need to host a game yourself or join a game that a friend has already created. Let's start with hosting. If you want to create the game, tap Create Game. This screen allows you to customize your game. Choose your map: the Skeld, Myra HQ, Polis, or the airship. You can also set the number of imposters and the maximum number of players. Once you've dialed in your settings, hit that confirm button in the bottom right corner. Awesome! You're now in your own private lobby. Check out that code displayed at the bottom of your screen. That's the golden ticket. Tell your friends this code. They'll need it to join your game. Now, let's say you're joining a friend's game instead of hosting. Go back to the online screen. This time, tap the Enter Code button located above the region selection area. A little box will pop up asking for the code. This is where your friend's special code comes in. Type it in carefully, one wrong letter or number, and you'll be stranded in random lobbies again. Hit Enter or the confirmation button, and bam! You're transported to your friend's lobby, ready to accuse them of being sus. Now you're all set to team up, backstab, and eject your friends into the cold vacuum of space. Have fun, and remember, trust no one, especially if they're green.